This speech is brought for the public. Drone warfare. Danger or hoax? Have you ever wondered the dark side of drones? Allow me to explain. Quoting Sun Tzu, the famous war strategist. In war, the way is to avoid at what is strong and to strike at what is weak. Today, drones have become the embodiment of this principle. Their rapid growth stretches beyond international security, posing an unprecedented threat to the global community. They kill without remorse, obey without hesitation, and guard the secrets of their masters. Drones have transformed the nature of warfare. Assalamualaikum. My name is Zarfan Syamil bin Syahrin, and a very good morning I bid to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, since I was small, I had a habit of being curious about the latest technological advancements. I still vividly remember when I first came across one of the largest unmanned aerial vehicles, or better known as UAVs. I was captivated by the way the drone was constructed and operated. UAVs are typically controlled remotely by the human pilots. But as I grow older, one thing came to mind. Is it rational to employ these devices on the battlefields? Now, let's delve deeper into the use of armed drones. The use of armed drones is often portrayed as a risk-free solution to security challenges by using remotely controlled aircraft to eliminate threats far from our borders. We are told that we are keeping the public safe. However, the reality is quite different. In fact, drones can endanger our security rather than improving it. In warfare, UAVs transition from mere surveillance tools to weapons of destruction. Among the most controversial aspects of armed drones is their use by the United States, Israel, and the UK for targeted killings. Despite being called targeted, this operation often results in civilian casualties due to the physical distance between the operator and the target. Military drones can reach altitudes of up to 50,000 feet, which is equivalent to 15 kilometers. This demonstrates the inherent risk in using such technologies. Another concerning aspect is related to what is called the PlayStation mentality. PlayStation mentality is defined as the dissociation between the combatants and the consequence of their action. Philip Elston, the former special rapporteur on extrajudicial killings in the UK, suggests that this physical remoteness makes killing easier and less emotionally impactful. The psychological distancing effect is analogous to the desensitization observed in individuals who frequently engage in violent video games. This desensitization can dull our emotional responses to the real-world violence, making it easier to accept or ignore the suffering of others. Perhaps the most alarming consequence of the rise of remote drone warfare is the establishment of a state of perpetual warfare, carried out by anonymous drone operators who, by the end of the day, are able to return home without any remorse, as there is little public or political pressure to bring this disruption to a close. Imagine living in a world fearing to get off one shelter, hearing the silent hum of drones, ready to strike at any moment. A haunting environment is cast, and the balance of life and death is uncertain. As drones reshape the battlefield, they also reshape our understanding of conflict, ethics, and responsibility. As we navigate this evolving landscape, it is abundantly clear that the danger they represent is far from a hoax. While it offers undeniable advantages, its dangers are indisputable. Dismissing these dangers as a hoax will be disservice to the critical discussion we need to have. In this ever-evolving technological age, we must be conscious of the implication of perpetual war and seek to find a path to lasting peace and security. The choices we make today will undoubtedly influence the future of our world. Thank you.